If you watched my previous video, we showed algebraically that 1 is equal to 2. Now, obviously, that's not accurate. I kind of wish it was, because if that were the case, you could use that to prove that one number is equal to any other number, so you would never get a question wrong on a math test. Unfortunately, we did have to cheat to make this work. Now, just by way of reminder for what we did, we started with the given of x equals y, and we just went ahead and used the laws of algebra, and we manipulated both sides of the equation, making sure that we did the same thing on both sides of the equation to keep it equal. So we began by multiplying both sides by x. We subtracted both sides by y squared. Now, if this is moving a little too fast, you may want to watch the previous video because we go in a little more detail with it. We then just factored both sides, divided both sides by x minus y, then substituted y for x because our given was that they are equal, and then divided both sides by y, which of course gave us the 2 is equal to 1 or 1 is equal to 2. Now, obviously we've cheated here, but everything that we've done algebraically is accurate. And here's where we run into issues. If we are dividing by x minus y, which was one of our steps, we divided both sides by x minus y. If x is equal to y, then x minus y is equal to 0. Now, when we look at it using the variables, it's kind of hard to see that, but it's very obvious if we made our given x equals y, then x minus y has to equal 0. And what happens if you divide anything by 0? It's automatically undefined. So on this step, everything that we've done algebraically is fine, but we've hidden this 0 in our variables. And so when we divided both sides by x minus y, we've now made the entire equation undefined, and everything from here down is now useless. So this is a great proof. And I use it with my students all the time to say, now we've got to be careful. If someone has a really good argument for something and you just can't see where their argument's falling short, but something in your gut's just telling you something's not right here, it's very easy to hide inaccuracies using variables within mathematics. So it's just kind of a fun proof to do. I did this once for a calculus class that I was teaching at a university, and not a single one of my calculus students could figure out where the problem was until I showed them. Once you show them, it's very easy, but they really kind of had fun with it, trying to figure out what in the world we did wrong.